guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing out there, y'all? What's up? We're gonna go ahead and get right into it because I'm already knowing why you clicked it. So we're gonna just go ahead and get right into everything you need to know to reach 1,000 subscribers fast. Let's do it. Tell you that is like the biggest thing right now is to teach somebody something. Each one teach one. Alright, y'all. So look, first, this is what we're gonna get into first. It's basically the things that you need to become a YouTuber, right? Because we're just starting out. We got to start from somewhere, right? You know what you need? This, your phone. Nothing else. I didn't say a light. I didn't say nothing. Your phone. Baby, that's it. But look, once you do that, baby, just start recording. Just record. Just do it. Honestly, that's all you need to start your YouTube channel. I promise you it is okay. Because the only reason why I'm not sitting here telling you to go and buy all the lights and the cameras and stuff right off, no. Cause baby, if you can't stay consistent with just your phone, then you don't need to be doing content creating, YouTube, none of it. Baby, just leave it alone and pick something else to do. I'm trying to tell you now. So I always tell people, okay, you want to start off, baby, just use your phone. Don't get nothing else. Don't waste your money because you need to see if you're going to stay consistent. That is the biggest thing. Now, majority of us, not all, some of us may just have like a ring light or something because most of the time, a lot of us do have ring lights. So I would say, of course, you know, you could use that. But if you don't have that, honestly, guys, it's okay. Try to record yourself in some good lighting in the home. And that's all I can tell you. I'm trying to tell y'all that's where it starts. All right, we're going to get into it. Now, to reach them first 1,000, all right, you got your phone, you got your ring light. That's it. Right? Baby, record. Just get out there and record. Honestly, guys, what you're going to need to do first, be comfortable with just talking to the camera. Be comfortable talking to yourself because basically that's all that you're doing. You're talking to yourself. I know everyone do say consistency, and honestly, guys, I can't lie. It is gonna be how hard are you willing to go with this? Like, you do have to be consistent. I'm sorry, but you have to do it. Once you first starting out on YouTube, you need to be dropping like damn near every day, and I'm gonna tell you why. Okay, so when my very first time, see, and I was already almost at 1,000 subscribers my very first time, and I was only on YouTube for a good like 3-4 months, and I had already hit I think I was like at 600 subscribers. Now, say had I kept going, I probably would have been way bigger than this now, but it's okay. Things happen in life. But all I had, y'all, when I had first started out was my phone, and I had a ring light that I always had. Like, literally, that's all that I had, y'all. And I just started recording myself just doing shit, and then that's it. Now, how I reached that fast, y'all, this is what I'm going to say. These are my tips. I'm about to go into it now. If you want to write it down, you write it down. First, when you first starting out, I don't mean no harm. Send it to every family member, friend you got. Tell everybody to subscribe. Everybody got Instagram now. Tell everybody, man, can y'all post this up on your story and tag my link in there and tell people to go subscribe. Period. Boom. That's one way to get yourself out there, right? Boom. 2, I would say try to join like different group chats. That's an awesome way to grow on the tube. Joining hella different group chats, and everybody can subscribe to each other and watch each other's content. Baby, that's number 2. Number 3, and I'm just now learning this because had I known this back then, I probably would have been doing it, but I didn't. But we here now. So I'm telling y'all the gems. 3, baby, post on them YouTube shorts. Baby, them YouTube shorts gonna carry you a long way. trying to tell you. And I mean, I might not do it, but don't follow me. Listen to me though. Post on YouTube Shorts every day. Post like 2 to 3, if you can. Try to post 2 to 3 videos every day. It could be anything, short form, all of that type of stuff. Just post on YouTube Shorts. I promise you, y'all. Like, the algorithm on YouTube Shorts, way better than a lot of algorithms. Like, honestly, it is. Like, it actually pushes your shit out, and them subscribers gonna start coming. Like, I promise you, you gonna start racking them shits up left and right, period. Next, I would say now, far as staying consistent on YouTube, baby, what you need to do when you first starting out, I don't mean no harm, try to post like 2-3 videos a week. I don't want to hear no back talk. I don't want to hear none of that. You want to be successful in this YouTube thing? Maybe try to post 2-3 times a week. And I promise you, them subscribers gonna start going up. Like, you're gonna just start to see a difference. And then my next biggest tip would be do videos like this. Basically teaching something. I'm not saying this exact video, but teaching something. When I tell you, that is like the biggest thing right now, is to teach somebody something. Each one teach one. Period. Baby, you gotta do it. Like, if you can have videos where you're teaching something, you're telling someone how to do something, I promise you those videos do so good. Like, you have to try to do some of those type of videos as well. And then another tip would be, honestly, guys, you have to have personality for this. I'm sorry, but you do. Because you got to be entertaining to the people so they want to keep watching it. They want more. They want to keep coming back. You feel? They want to tell a friend. You feel what I'm saying? So we have to have a personality, guys. We can't be on camera like, well, yeah, guys, so today no, nobody wants to hear that. I'm sorry, but we don't. Baby, you come on there, have your energy built up, like you need to be on, ready, and popping. Even if you is kind of feeling down still, baby, push through. We're moving on up. You see yourself, you are being consistent, right? Boom. You being consistent, you already like 3 months in, you like, you know what? I'm actually loving this. This is really good. This is working for me. All right, now let's boost up my lighting. Let's get the lights. You don't have to buy the most expensive lights. You can just get the small Tula lighting kit. It don't cost too much or nothing, and that's it. Continue to use your phone. Try to use that back camera though, not the front camera. The back camera is way better. And also, now that I've just gotten into, if you don't feel comfortable because you're not seeing yourself, you can buy, they have the magnetic screens now that you prop on the back of your phone, and you'll be able to see what you're actually doing. You can't go wrong with that, honest to God. Like, you really can't. Like, honestly, I would say buy those 2 things. A cute little lighting kit, get the screen for your phone. That's it. I'm not telling you to buy nothing else. That is it. Because at the end of the day, what did I say? Before we get into buying everything else and we're getting into all of the things and spending that real coin, baby, you have to be consistent. But you need to see yourself being consistent for a whole year before we even think about all that extra shit. You feel what I'm saying? So I bet you like 3 months in, you see yourself consistent. Now you got your lighting kit. You got your screen for the back of your phone so you can see yourself, so you can be comfortable, and you just keep shooting. Now that you got these lights, boom, that's gonna make, first off, that's gonna make your quality on your phone, I mean the quality of your videos, way more better. Now you getting up into some things. Now you got the quality into it. You feel what I'm saying? So you just gotta keep going and keep on doing the steps that I'm telling you to do. And honestly, guys, what I did forget to mention when you are doing shorts, try to see what's the popping sounds. Get into that algorithm, start doing stuff like that. And then also with videos, what I have learned and what has made my viewer count on certain videos go up, I'm gonna say for me it was reaction videos. But this is what I would say: anything that is a hot topic, trending topic, or if this person drop or if somebody do something like this, you need to, I need to make sure I record, and I need to make sure to give my opinion or my reaction to that. Hop into that algorithm. I'm trying to tell you, try to hop into that bitch quick though. Don't wait hours and hours. You gotta try to hop in that bitch quick. Once you hop in that bitch quick, I promise you that's when you gonna see your views. That shit gonna go up. That's gonna also bring you more subscribers. I'm trying to tell you some good shit. I know all of the videos all of us watch, everybody do say the same thing. And pretty much, honestly, guys, it is the same thing. I think the biggest thing when it comes to being a YouTuber is, are you even going to be consistent with this? If you're not going to be consistent and you just get on here maybe like a good month and then your ass gone for some years and you try to come back and you still not trying to be consistent, why are we here? Don't even get on YouTube. Don't waste your time. Like, literally don't waste your time at all, yo. Like, I'm trying to tell you, don't waste your time. But if you can stay consistent and grind it out and just do it, and honestly, guys, have fun with it. Because YouTubing is actually fun. Like, it truly is. I have started to really enjoy YouTubing so much. Like, it is so much fun, and different things that you're going to continue to learn. You feel what I'm saying? So it's just my biggest tip: baby, be consistent. If you can't be consistent, don't do it. This is why I said, and I'm not gonna tell y'all nothing else to bad. Like, that could be a whole nother video. But beginners, baby, all you need is your phone, and that's it. Once you're 3 months in and you're consistent, get a cute lighting kit. Get maybe a screen for the back of your phone, and you don't even have to get the screen. That's it. And record and thug that little bit you got, thug that shit out for the remaining of the year and go hard. I'm trying to tell y'all, like, you don't need all of the big things just yet. We're not there yet. A lot of us are normal people. We ain't got that type of money, and I'm not gonna sit here and tell y'all to be spending all that money on all of these high-end equipment, all of these big boy cameras. No, we not there yet. We will get there once we continue to stay consistent, but right now we not there yet. We getting it out the mud. We in the trenches right now. Use that phone. And then also, what I will tell you, the editing apps, you know where it's at? On your phone. Because y'all see, I ain't tell you to go get the laptop. I ain't tell you to go get an iPad. You can edit right here on the phone. That's how I started out. Edit right there on the phone. All the phones come with iMovie. Edit it right in iMovie. Period. If you want to take it a step further, get CapCut. Start editing on CapCut. You gotta pay a fee to have a pro, but for the basic stuff, you can still use it for the free. You feel what I'm saying? And honestly, those are really all of the tools that you need. But like I said, the biggest thing is gonna be you have to stay consistent. And like I said, if you can, YouTube shorts 2-3 times a day. Post them bitches back to back. You feel what I'm saying? Upload 2 to 3 videos a week and stay consistent with that. And I promise you, y'all, you're gonna grow. I promise you. Hell, I didn't even seen a girl said, this girl, I think she had got like 1,000 subscribers in like a week or 30 days. It was less than 30 days or something like that. Baby, all I'm saying is it could be you. And when I went to her page, you know what she was talking about, everything on her page? Some people just need to know. She was just doing low-key like learning videos. Basically, hey, this is how you grow. This is how you get to this in X amount of days. Stuff like that. That's how her content was. Blew up in less than 30 days. That can be you is all that I'm saying. All of us is here to grow. And honestly, no, that's not everybody's story. But what I can tell you is you still can grow within your first to 6 months. Baby, you can grow. Like, I promise you, you can grow. Baby, you can get 1,000 subscribers within 1 to 6 months of doing YouTube. You can do it. It's just going to be on you and how hard you want it and how hard you willing to go. And that's like my biggest tip on it, for real, for real. So yeah, y'all, I hope this was informative to you. I hope I could inspire somebody to keep going and to get up out that bed, stop being lazy, because if you want to do it and you want it, get up and do it. You ain't got to spend that much money, baby. You already got the phone. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. But until next time, y'all already know what time it is. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to you, girl. But until next time, I love y'all. Bye.